Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what to do if someone orders and you have an inventory problem on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're selling on eBay and someone placed an order, but you happen to run out of inventory. How do you actually go ahead and approach this? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is hop onto eBay, click on sell, and then from here, you want to click on orders and then all orders. So here's where you're going to see a list of your orders. So right now we have some names here blurred out. What we're going to do in order to handle missing inventory is that if we go ahead and let's say click on these three dots for this order here, you can click on that, click on send refund, and then from here you could actually send a refund for the item that they ordered. So if you get a couple seconds to actually load, you can see that these are all the cards that this individual ordered. So let's say that we ran out of inventory for this card here. You can just simply refund for the amount in which $6 was the purchase price, and then so the refund amount would be $6. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and handle inventory problems on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.